Welcome to Curve Nova 2.0. Today we're stepping into the world of the stunning and unforgettable Marie D, a model and digital star who continues to capture hearts with her beauty, grace, and powerful confidence. Marie has quickly become a standout name in fashion and social media, thanks to her striking photos, polished style, and uplifting personality. Her journey began with a simple love for creativity, but her ability to connect with people turned that passion into a global influence. From flawless fashion shoots to everyday lifestyle moments, Marie D has built a loyal audience that admires her authenticity and charm. But there's more to Marie than glamorous visuals. She uses her platform to promote self-love, body confidence, and the importance of embracing who you truly are. Whether she's modeling luxury looks or sharing candid moments, she proves every day that confidence is the real definition of beauty. And with her star rising higher each year, one thing is clear: Marie D is just getting started. Stay tuned for more inspiring stories here on Curve Nova 2.0.